Now what we want to do is go in and clean up our modules a little bit. The student support module really should be first, and the teacher support module should be second. To do that, it's very simple. We just grab the half a waffle and we just drag it right up to where we want to put it. Temporarily, I'm going to click this little arrow just to collapse this so this is easy to see. This is fine, but it's a little hard visually to kind of figure out the flow. So what I'm going to do is add a couple elements in here. I want to do some indentions and add some text headers. To do that, I want to click the plus symbol, add text header, and let's add the header here. Chat, phone, and in person support. Let's click add item. I want to click publish so it shows up, and I'm going to click and I'm going to drag this up here. I want to indent these two because they belong kind of under here. So that's our beginning, that's our end, and here's some of the content. I'm going to click the ice cream cone to the far right and increase indent. Increase. And it looks pretty good. What does it really look like? So let's go back to home and choose student view. So here's our student support module. You can see it's just a straight line. But if I go down to the teacher support, see how nice that is? The beginning, the end, and how these are indented in. So go ahead and play around with that just to make your course a little cleaner to view.